Hello, welcome. This is Marcin from Intruduction, and today we start a new project, the renovation of two-bedroom flat, and we're gonna turn it to three-bedroom. So come in and let's have a look what we're doing. First thing is first, we're gonna disconnect all of the services, water, electrics, boilers, all boilers gonna go. We're gonna also remove all the partition walls. The guys start removing the doors, as you can see it. This is all gonna be open plan, and we're gonna turn it into a nice open kitchen apartment with three bedrooms. Currently, we have ready for plumbing installation here. We have a hot water tank, which we're gonna get rid of. And the guys are actually disconnecting the boiler right now. Once services are cut off now, we have disconnected the power, we have disconnected the water and the gas. So now we're working on removing the kitchen. Let's have a look how it's going. The kitchen is going to be stripped down completely. We might keep the units just to build up some temporary kitchen for the time being, because this room is going to change completely. Those walls going to go, and we're going to create a bedroom in this section. So for now, we just remove the kitchen and clear the area. The biggest problem in this place is the flooring. The flooring is very squeaky. Whenever you walk, it's a lot of loose floorboards. It's very squeaky, very noisy. Had a word with the neighbor downstairs before, and he mentioned that it's quite a big problem here. The soundproofing, which we're gonna handle first thing. We have to check the quality of the flooring, soundproofing, and the build-up is there already. So Pablo's gonna remove the top of the floors now for us to have a look inside. So let's have a look. So we're gonna make a plan or open the floorboards and see how much soundproofing we have to do. To our surprise, we find out the flooring is made of concrete. It's just overlaid with timber, which is pretty poor construction. For that reason, we're gonna remove it all. Also, we find out the ceiling is suspended, so we're gonna remove it. We're gonna increase the headroom for about 4 inches as well as the overlay on the walls, dry lining. It's all loose. We're gonna take it all down and make it slightly bigger, because this wall is reduced by the thickness of plasterboard and the timber behind it.